Hey, what's up? Jason here. Thanks for checking out the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to build a simple tagging system in Bubble.io. So here's basically how it works. I've got a list of artists here and there are genres attached to them. I can click on the artist name. Note that there's no genres beside it here. This brings up my little editing window. And in this box, it's automatically going to show the list of things from the table. It also has type ahead. So I could just type in these values and then hit enter and then save them. And then now once I hit save, can see that those genres are attached. You can even remove these as well. And hit save, and now it's going to just show whichever one was in that input box. So let's take a look at how this is built. So the first thing you'll need is the multi-select dropdown, which is a free plugin and it's created by Bubble. So go to your plugin section, hit add plugins, search for multi, and then it should be the first one in the list. And then once you install that, you will now have a multi-dropdown option in all of your objects down there on the left. So you can search for multi and then you'll see that multi-dropdown. I've dropped that on the page here and the settings are pretty easy. It's the same as any other element or any other dropdown. It just behaves differently. So I want this to be dynamic choices. I want to get all of the genres from the genre thing, but I want to default that value to whatever genres are in the existing artist record. And the save action is very simple as well. So I'm going to go here, and when people click this little save button, the first thing that you need to do is actually remove the list, because if you're adding and removing things, the way that Bubble lists work is it will add things to it, but it won't automatically remove the ones that you've taken out from the UI. So you need to clear the list first by using the remove list option. So I want to change whatever artist I have loaded in the pop-up, and what I want to change is the genre field, and I want to remove the entire list that is in there right now. And then my second action is to add the list from that multi-drop-down input, and it's as simple as that. And that's it. Really simple way to create a simple tagging system.